Hi everyone, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. Thank you so much for um, stopping by and watching my video and spending time with me. So it's 20 minutes to midnight, and I said to myself, if it's before midnight, I'm going to sneak this video because I want to use this box in the next couple of days, and I kind of wanted to show you what's in the box. So it is the Crafter's Companion monthly subscription box, and this one has over 225 elements, and it makes 24 cards. So I don't even know what's in it. I haven't even seen a video on it, so I'm excited. All those times I made videos, I could have read right here what was in it. It has 19 metal dies. It has 25 clear acrylic stamps. One glitter. Ugh, I don't like glitter. It makes 24 card blanks. It has 24 pieces of envelopes to go with the cards, 24 pieces of colored cardstock, 100 pieces of pearl, 9 pieces of ribbon. So let's rip it open and see. So I got this from HSN. This is a monthly thing. Stamps and Dies Floral Kit is what it's called. Or maybe it's beautiful. I don't know. I think that might be a die. But so that cracked me up. You get this from HSN. I don't know if you can get this month, but I do know that they do have several that people didn't want. So there's several of them that are for sale. I know that on HSN May 7th is their big 24-hour show. I don't want to buy a thing, but I'm not going to lie to you. I've never lied to you here. I have stuff in my cart. Ugh. I'll probably put 2 things back and buy 2 things. I mean, I even do that when I go shopping at Tuesday mornings. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. But then I see something I really love and I put 2 things back and buy that one. So anyway, let's get started. Thank you for the purchase. You're welcome. Oh, nice and neat. So here's the 100 pearls, flat backs. It's a pretty colors. Very spring. And here is the 3 sizes of, there's actually 3 sizes of the ribbon. I don't know if you can see the 3 different sizes. There's small, medium, and large. So that's nice. Wow, this is nice dies for flowers and the butterflies. A tag. I don't know what that's for. Huh. Oh, these must be the butterflies flying off. That must be the stem of the flowers. Oh, those are nice. That's really pretty. I like the way the love is there. Oh, there's a glare. I'm so sorry. There's the word beautiful. So that was funny, remember? Okay, so there's that. Here's this hot mess glitter that will not be opened. So here's the cards and the envelopes. There's all kind of cards and envelopes. There's different layerings and different sizes. And see, and then here is the cardstock with all the different colors that match everything else. And I haven't watched a video on it, so this must be all about, I don't know, dies? I don't know. I haven't watched a video, but oh, look at the colors in that. Very nice. Very nice colors. And I'm not going to open the cards. There's different size cards and different ways to do it. But yeah, see, I made a quick video. Now I won't feel guilty using this and didn't share it with you and show you. But this box cost me $24.95 plus $5 shipping and handling. I say it over and over. It's the best kit and quality that you get on the market. So if you can afford it once a month, it's auto ship. If you can't afford it, then get it and then cancel and get every other one. But yeah, so There you go, guys. Look at how it's showing the different things to make and do. So that flower is popping out of the card. Let me look at that die again. Oh, so if you look at this die, see, I haven't watched the video yet. If you look at these dies, it cuts out, it's got two rings, two cutting edges. One cuts it out and the other one lets it lift. So it's three-dimensional. I don't know if y'all can see that on here or not. And I guess maybe the butterfly is too. No, not the butterfly, just the flowers. So let me show you if I can see. No, it's not on the back. See how the flower, maybe they just cut the whole thing out and then stuck the three-dimensional back on it. So we'll learn it as we go. But anyway, guys, have a blessed night. Hit the bell so you know when I'm gonna make a video, because I didn't even know. And hit subscribe if you like seeing hauls and tutorials and project shares. Have a blessed night. Bye, everybody. My links are all down below. Come join me.